So are you looking to finally learn coding in 2022? Or maybe you're hoping to finally learn photography? Maybe you're really interested in drawing and now you cannot decide what you want to learn. So I think Udemy is the best option for you. Udemy is the largest online learning platform with hundreds of thousands of courses across every topic imaginable. But is Udemy worth your money and time? So let's find out with me in this video. And now let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification. So let's get to know a little bit more about Udemy. So Udemy is an online course website offering 130,000 plus videos courses taught by a variety of instructors in various fields. Topics can include everything from web design to software engineering to photography and creative writing. So when you enroll in a Udemy course, you gain access to a library of recorded videos that the instructor has laid out, plus any additional resources and tools. But are the courses quality and how much do they cost? Now follow me, we will get to that. So the quality of Udemy courses is good overall, but varies widely depending on which course and instructor you choose. Therefore, it's important to select your Udemy course carefully. So to help you choose a high quality course, Udemy provides students reviews as well as tasks such as highest rated, bestseller, and etc. Read Udemy's course reviews from students before committing to a course. This is one of the best ways to ensure that you're selecting a course that's worth your money. Also, you need to make sure that to take advantage of Udemy's option to preview this course. Through this option, you can watch an introductory video and get a sense of instructor and what you'll be learning in their course. Some of instructors also offer additional free sample videos before you buy too. So there's so much to cover though, so I'm going to jump ahead and start breaking this down into clear detail. I'll circle back at the end with verdict on whether or not Udemy is worth it. So like I mentioned, Udemy has so many courses to take, but what type of courses are there? Well, Udemy breaks it down into 13 categories, include development, business, finance and accounting, IT and software, office productivity, and so on. But each of categories that I just mentioned can be broken down into a number of subcategories. For example, under IT and software, there is network and security, which further breaks down into additional categories such as ethical hacking or cybersecurity. So it's deceptively large and it really pays to poke around through each of the categories to see how varied and deep the learning options are. So next, you will wonder who are the teachers behind this course. So Udemy is different from sites like Masterclass or Coursera in that it does not rely on big names or major professors to sell the programs. Instead, Udemy courses are taught by all sorts of teachers. In fact, it is quite easy for someone to put together a course and get it on Udemy. But luckily, Udemy does provide user ratings per class as well as the number of students who have enrolled. Using these two metrics, you can get a decent feel of which courses are worth taking and which ones are more of a gamble. However, Udemy has a great refund policy. You have 30 days of purchase to get a complete refund on any course. It's easy to initiate a refund either through mobile or on the web. And you will receive your refund back on your original form of payment. There are some restrictions, and Udemy won't offer a full refund if you've completed the entire course within 30 days and are simply hoping to get your money back. Additionally, we have heard accounts that have too many refund requests can be grounded for account suspension. So please don't abuse the system. Instead, check out the courses, knowing that if you genuinely aren't satisfied, you can initiate an easy refund within 30 days of purchase. So now let's get to the important part, that how much money that we need to buy to use Udemy. Udemy is relatively unique in the MOOC field, in that there is not a subscription service for Udemy. You have to pay per course, and that's lead to another question, that how much does a Udemy course cost? So it varies. Courses typically have around $100 to $2,800 price point at full price. That second part at full price is key. Here's a secret: almost all of the Udemy courses are on sale at some point or another, and the sale prices are very huge. So the prices are variable and reflect in-demand skill, scarcity, and professors' price preferences. Prices are set by the teacher, not by Udemy, though again it is clear that prices do congregate around certain price points. So when you purchase a set to a course, you will have the ability to get 60 hours of video lectures, 329 articles, 116 downloadable resources, 1 coding exercise, lifetime access, and so on and so on. And now let's get into the main part of this video. Is Udemy worth it? I would say that Udemy is absolutely worth it. I particularly enjoy that you pay per class as opposed to a subscription fee. This way you don't have to worry about ensuring you take enough cost to justify the subscription. No math involved. Just buy the course and then take the classes. Udemy is a great way to affordably learn those hard skills that you need to succeed in today's workforce. Let's say that you buy a course for $10 during a promotion. That's less than most people pay for a drink when going out with friends. So if you use that course, learning from it, and build a product, change your life, get a job, and get better at anything, I believe you get much more value than you got from the 2 beers out with your friends. So long story short, yes, Udemy is worth it. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you guys, please give us a like and comment your opinion below. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye and see you again.